Hello, I'm Nicole with My Math Experts, and today I'm going to show you how we can solve this unit rate problem. So we have to find the following unit rate in miles per gallon. So the key word here is miles per gallon. When it comes to unit rate, we want to respect how the question is given to us in terms of the quantities. So we're going to operate in miles per gallon. So our first step is to first identify the ratio. What does the ratio actually mean? And then our second step is to operate and simplify our answer as much as possible. So to identify the ratio, we have 3/4 mile per 5/6 gallon. And the way that ratios work is we find a ratio of one quantity per one other quantity. So how many miles per 1 gallon? How many cans per one pack? So to write that definition or to write that ratio, we want to write our ratio as miles over gallons. So we can have, now we take our information from the problem, which is 3/4 of a mile to 5/6 of a gallon. So that's going to be our ratio. So we have 3/4 to 5/6 gallons. Now, our second step, leading into our second step, is to operate and simplify. We should remember that ratios can also represent fractions, which also represent division problems. So we're going to treat this as a division problem and set it up as division. So we're going to take 3/4, our numerator, divided by 5/6, our denominator. Now we operate and simplify. So to operate with fractions, we have to remember that we have to keep change reciprocal. We will keep the same fraction the same, change division to multiplication, and find the reciprocal of 5/6. So we keep 3/4, change division to multiplication, and the reciprocal means just to flip your fraction over. So 6 becomes the numerator and 5 becomes the denominator. Now we can simplify before we multiply. We can see if we see any patterns in this fraction multiplication to see if we can simplify, which we do. We see that 4 and 6 are even numbers, which can be divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. To simplify before you multiply always helps the multiplication be a little bit more simple. So now we just look at 3 times 3, which is 9, and 2 times 5, which is 10. And we have a simplified answer. Oh, bugged out a little bit. We have a simplified answer of 9/10. So we have 9/10 mile per 1 gallon. Thank you.